Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers to my channel, Faisal Azib. In the last video, I have showed you how to use Lambda expression with a list. Okay, so in this video, I will show you how to use Lambda expression with another type of list, that is TreeSet. It's class, presentation of class set. Okay, what is TreeSet? TreeSet, as I have said, is an implementation of the class set, but you use it to respect the sorting order. Okay, if you want to sort your order in the set collection, you will use TreeSet, not hash set or another one. Okay, so to create, I will create, for example, TreeSet of number value of an integer. I mean, I make set of integer set equals new TreeSet of integer, but without any parameter. Okay, if I do like this, it means when I display my list, the element will be sorted by default order. Okay, if it's a number, it's by ascending, if it's string, by alphabetic. Okay, so I will add some values. You will see this when I execute, of course, the example now. So I have, for example, 6, and 3, 0, 15, and 12, and 18, for example. And now we make system.out.println is to display our set without any argument. What we get? We got 0, 3, 6, 12, 15, and 18 by default sorting order. Okay, so let's see this directly in the computer. Tell me if you want to make all the execution when I finish the video or in the middle. Just tell me, please, in the comment. I have made it in the last video. I make all the execution when I have finished, or this one I will make in the middle, just when I explain and I finish. I will just directly do computer to show you the execution. I will come back. Okay, so let's go. So here is our TreeSet, and I will display the result without parameter, so without any comparator. So if I make like this, let's see what we got. My TreeSet, sorry. Oops. Do you see our list or our set respect the default sorting order? So less value, and there's a big value 0, 3, 6, as I have said. So now I will continue. I will explain another thing with using comparator, our own comparator, customizing a comparator. Let's go. Now, if you want to use your customized sorting order, okay? So here you will use a comparator. In the TreeSet, when you create TreeSet, you can give him the comparator directly. Okay, without creating collection.sort as we have make for list. And when you create list directly, you have the opportunity to use a comparator. But don't create a new one. We will use directly now Lambda expression, and I will use the same thing as before. So I will use the customizing order here. Customizing sorting, sorry, will be by descending order. So let's do it. I have make new TreeSet integer, I open parenthesis, and let's start. I have integer of value 1, comma, integer value 2. I have said before, I have explained before, I will remove the integer because it's the same type, so I remove it. Okay, simple arrow. Let's go. I don't make if directly, parenthesis, value 1 bigger than value 2, and make it descending order, so it is big, so it will be value 1 will come before value 2. What I will return, result will be derivation -1, negative value. 2 points. I continue to check or to test. Value 1 less than value 2. Interrogation, I will return positive value plus 1, else 2.0. Just like this. It's very, very simple. When I create my TreeSet, I put directly the lambda expression. You see, it's very, very easy. And here the result will be the same, but in descending order. Okay, so the big value will be the first, and etc. That's the first one. That's the last value. Let's see this also in computer. I will run this program directly to check verify the result. It's by descending order. And when I finish, I will jump another topic, always with a collection. I think I will show you how to do it with TreeMap. I think it's the next topic. I will see. Okay? So let's make an execution for this program of TreeSet with Lambda expression and to see what we got. Let's go. So here I will use comparator or Lambda expression when I create a TreeSet. I just copy paste this statement here. Okay? What I have here, yes, I have a problem because I have forgot to add the value 1 and value 2 of parameter and simple arrow, just like this. Yes, parentheses. I think it's good now. Okay, so here is our 2 parameter and the statement, and here is our lambda expression. So the result will be TreeSet with lambda expression sorting. What we got here, it will be not like this, it will be by descending in other sense. So let's see. Tac. Do you see? 18, 15, 12, 6, 3, 0. It's so simple, brothers and sisters. Very simple. I make a lot of some example to be familiar also with collection. I have made it in the first topic to understand the lambda expression. Now we will make it with the collection to understand very, very well how to use it with collection, inshallah. So see you in the next video, inshallah, to use a lambda expression with TreeMap. I think with TreeMap. And I will continue, inshallah, our course. Thank you a lot of again. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.